How's everyone doing? Hope you're okay. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and tell a friend. Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. Off the back of my last video or video ago when I was talking about how the show must go on and shows are opening, a list of new shows that are opening by MGM has just been put out yesterday. Today is October 21st, okay? So the 20th, MGM announced this. From starting on November 6th, these shows will start, I believe. So first up is David Copperfield, that magic show at MGM. Ticket prices, I did check ticket prices. I think Copperfield goes for like $81 to about $112. Now they will reconfigure the seating arrangements so you will not be able to sit everywhere in the auditorium, but the show does return. And it was funny, so I looked at David Copperfield. I remember him from years ago in a movie called Terror Train. He played a magician, and I believe he got killed in it. I also checked, he's worth $900 million right now. It must be magic. Also coming online is a dance show, Jabberwockies. You guys may know it's a hip-hop dance show. Well, it's not like this, but you know what I mean, right? And so it's interesting, I had to look these guys up, and apparently they won the first season of America's Dance Crew back in 2008. And here we are 12 years later, and they've been on the strip for a while. You know, they parlayed into a good show, or into a popular show, I guess, because if you're not popular, your contract probably gets cut here, right? So good on them. And as I always said, I never needed cardboard for my shoulder spins. Corny, huh? All right, you guys, anyway. Also coming online is Brad Garrett's Comedy Club. Here's the thing, Brad Garrett, he was in Everyone Loves Raymond, right? Okay, fine. But I didn't realize till I checked that he won he was the grand champion winner in the comedy category of Star Search back in 1984. Remember when Ed McMahon was the host, right? Hi-oh! All right, anyway, okay, so, sorry. And, oh, let me back up. Jabberwockies tickets go from $50 to $90. And Brad Garrett's comedy show goes from $46 to $49. That's what I saw so far. Prices could change. Those prices exclude ticket charges and taxes. So whatever the juice they're going to take, they're going to take. Also coming back is that man with the red hair, Carrot Top Fantasy. His tickets go for $40 to $75. And then also coming back is the Australian Bee Gees, Thunder Down Under. Those cats, I guess, are singing Bee Gee songs. You remember the Bee Gees from, what was the movie? Saturday Night Fever. Great album. Great opening for the movie when it first started. Excellent. And those tickets go from like $51 to $61. Once again, taxes and fees not included. LA Comedy Club at the Strat, they're opening up. And Harrah's is bringing back the X Country, where you can watch the things, if you know what I mean. I believe it's topless. So I haven't seen the show yet, but maybe I'll put it on my list. And you should too. Now, someone mentioned in one of my comments about the Mr. Olympia, which I had completely forgot about. You know, Joe Weider's, what's it called? Joe Weider's Olympia Fitness and Performance Weekend in December. That's coming back. That will happen this year in December. And they're selling tickets right now. And tickets over there, I checked one weekend, I'm not sure it was the final weekend or whatever. Tickets go from $127 to $230. So there you go. All right, you guys. And so things are opening up. And of course, like I said earlier, they will not have the same seating arrangements. So I guess as long as people stay safe and as long as they don't lose any money or don't lose too much money or just break even, the shows will probably continue. And you can imagine other shows are going to watch MGM and see if things are going okay. And if things do go okay, without anything blowing up, then other shows around the strip will probably open up, you know, probably pretty soon. All right, you guys, just a really quick update on the show situation here in Las Vegas. Like I said, this was announced yesterday, the 20th of October, today's 21st. We done last night, but I was tired. Anyway, guys, right now I'm at the UNLV next to Fertitta practice field. And here's the Buchanan Natatorium. The Jim Reed's pool is in here, which I've never been inside. So anyway, guys, you know, like I always say, see me outside, say hello back, take care wherever you are. Have a nice day.